Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is part 2 of the handlebar and tape tutorial. And this version is a tape with overlaps, or yeah, so half, and a other version. But it's better when you have watched the first video also to understand what happens here. Okay, so it looks like this here. So such overlaps here and a little bit more like this. Okay, first I clear my scene. So I think this one I need. This one I can delete. And this one I delete also. Okay, here is our handlebar. So only one half of it. So you can mirror it. So this is the handlebar. And you need the tube here unvalidated. So do not validate this thing at the moment. So you need a clone of this tube. So I clone this and I hide the first one. So first we don't need caps. So no caps. And then we have to add a profile. And then we change the profile. Here is a open closed version, so like this. And then edit the profile. We need black edges, so edge nodes. So you see here, it becomes a flat band. Like this. Okay, so I think we don't need such a high division. Maybe like this here. Okay. And then we activate the spiral. So now we set the twist angle. Yeah, scroll. Oh, this was the offset. So now it starts to overlap here. So you see here the overlapping, you can choose how much the thing overlaps. And yeah, that's it. Okay, and then I think we can validate this object. So now I want to see my handlebar, and I use now X-ray view. So you see here the handlebar stops at this position, so I use the trim tool and make sure that the setting here is none. And I use rectangular and I trim here the tape and maybe here. So this is our tape, and you see here you can use the tape here like this here with such not aligning mesh to the tube, but it's also possible here to use the misc menu, and you can here reproject. Here select vertices opacity off and reproject from high res. So we see what happens. Sorry, we have to do it here like this. Select this tube here and then this one, and then reproject. Here see you in brackets is only one, so now it works. So I hope you get it. It's the order here. This one here is highlighted and this one is the target. So you have to check here the order of the highlighted parts in the hierarchy, that it works proper. Okay, and now we need an opacity map. So I activate my plane here. So I use solo view, and this is from the first video, our texture for the opacity map. And now I use the cell mask, rectangular, and turn symmetry off. So I mask here, so a little bit more like half of the image, and then I press invert. You don't see much at the moment, but it's masked. So now I choose a white color and paint all. Opacity. Sorry. There's a texture on it, so I have to delete this. So sorry. So this is at the moment paint all. Paint shown, clear the mask. And why is there no color on it? Sorry, I have to do it again. So paint black, and then I use the cell mask. And then here paint white. It should look like this here. This is what we need. And then we have to bake this color, and we bake here from itself. So let's check the texture. Yeah, we baked it, fine. Okay, we don't need at the moment the plane anymore. So, sorry, I have to fix this part here, trim. Now it's okay. So let's place the opacity map. So I pick this one. So, okay. Let's increase the poly count a little. So I subdivide the mesh. Yeah, it's enough, I think, for the mask. And now I reproject here the opacity. So I reproject from itself. So this is our mask. And here it's possible to invert the mask here like this, or we use it here in this direction. And now here use the blur slider. So sorry. So blur it a little bit. And then here in the operations menu, we can use inflate. So this is the overlapping, and so the opacity map we don't need anymore, so I say none. Okay, and now we can clear the mask, so clear all. And then here tap in the viewport, mask everything. And this is our height. So, but we go in the negative direction, so here like this. So we have now here one division, and let's extract the whole thing. So this is the overlapping version. We can use here again smooth, here to smooth it out, inflate. You can play here with the settings. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.